Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you install Realtek audio driver on Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Click on Window icon and search for Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find High Definition Audio Device or Realtek Audio Device. Right-click the device, select Properties, then go to the Driver tab. Check the driver date. If it's old, you need to update. Open your web browser and search for Realtek. Once you are on the Realtek website, on the left menu, click Downloads, then select Computer Peripheral ICs. Under Product Line, choose PC Audio Codecs. Select High Definition Audio Codecs. From the list, click the latest version, Top 1. In the Software section, select the 64-bit Windows driver. Works for Windows 7 to 11. Accept the agreement and click on the Download this file button and complete the capture. Click Download this file. The file is about 250 megabytes, so wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next. Restart your PC after installation completes. Go back to Device Manager, Properties, Driver. Check the driver date again. If it's updated, the installation was successful, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.